Alright, my people, watch this. Today is Christmas. Remember the last time I do a video making some natural juice? Today again, we're going to make real natural juice now. The only thing can give you natural juice is a machine like this. See? Because once you use water or any other sweetened product to make a juice, that is not a natural juice. A natural juice can only come from the real vegetable or whatever you have used to make the natural juice. Now we are going to make some natural juice with just carrot, beetroot and ginger. This is the carrot, this is the beetroot, and this is the ginger. Alright. When you make natural juice with this, you don't add no water, no honey, no sugar, no milk, nothing. So this is natural. Now, this is the process. Ginger. Beetroot. Beetroot, carrot, ginger. See that? It now have to be a lot, you know. But this is what we get from just the natural fruit or vegetable that you want to use to make some juice. So this, you don't need nothing to sweeten this because it is all natural. Ginger, carrot, beetroot. So watch the process now. From the machine to this container to the glass. That is natural juice. Nothing sweetened, nothing added. Just carrot, beetroot and ginger. Yeah? Remember that the only thing that make natural juice, extractor. A machine like this. Keep healthy, you know. Leave out sugar. Sugar not good for man. And the man them special me attack in the video. Yeah? The enough no make no sense. Just a little bit. 100% juice. Good. Alright. So carrot, beetroot and ginger a while ago. We have a cucumber now. See? Ready up. Cucumber and ginger now natural again. No sugar, no honey, nothing. for the cucumber, you don't need a lot of ginger, you know, just not really much, because you know ginger have a little taste when it always good. You know, a little bit of ginger. Yeah. The ginger do that. Look at this ginger again. And watch out our brothers, what about real life. Everything you make life easy for your wife, you know, if your woman or if your girlfriend. But you know, if you cut up nothing and a blend or a grate or nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Life is so easy. Using a machine like this, wash this clean enough. Boom. See that? So I want. This is the final cucumber now going in. See how easy that is? Not headache. So no nothing man, just purchase one of them nice machine here, have it in your yard. In time like this you need some natural juice. You just boom, plug this in, juice done with. Click, back off. See that? So easy. Done. And watch your program now. See? Juice making. And watch this. Just ginger, cucumber. No water, no honey, no sugar, nothing. All natural. Stay healthier.